Hello, friends, welcome in our series of law current affairs. In today's legal current affair topic, we are going to cover criminal jurisprudence and the most important topic, which is very current in forensic science and in criminal jurisprudence, is bone ossification test. Today, we are going to see what has its importance in our criminal law. The topic, as the title shows, is relevant for law students in POXO, in criminology, and in forensic science and JJ Act. Let's start with the topic. Bone ossification test is also known as bone age test. Basically, this test is to determine the age of either accused or of victim so that his criminal liability can be determined. Let's read about the ossification test. It is also known as bone age test in forensic. It is a forensic anthropology technique which is used to determine the age of a human on the basis of the degree of bone ossification. What are the methods used for this test? These are radiography, that is X-ray, CT scan, and in some cases, direct examination of skeleton or the remains of the dead body. You must have seen in many cases where the accused just dump the body and we just get the skeleton, or we just get the skull or some bones. In many cases, like in Pandher case in Gurugram, where there were many remains of the dead bodies of children were found in the courtyard, but it was not sure whether it is these are children or are adult. From the bones, from the skeletons, with bone ossification test and many other tests, and with many other evidence, it was confirmed that all the remains found in the courtyard of the accused were of children. Let's go ahead. Bone ossification test, how it is applicable in our legal arena. It is used to find human remains. If these are found at the spot of the crime, it is used to estimate the age of unknown identity of a person or known identity of the juvenile when it is disputed or controversial. And it is used for investigation of crimes involving juveniles, like in I have already discussed in POXO cases. Bone ossification test. As you can see the image in Shakti Mills gang rape case of 2013, court found that during investigation this test was applied, and court has sentenced 3 repeated offenders to death on the basis of this age determination test, and one minor was tried as a juvenile. And recently you must have seen the application of this test in Baba Siddiqui case, where it was found that one of the accused is a minor. Now, the most important, last but not least, is evidentiary value of this bone ossification test. How we can use this test as an evidence. First, it is an expert opinion. It is treated similarly as an expert opinion is treated under Section 45 of Indian Evidence Act and 39 of Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam. And the relevant case, the recent one, not the most recent one, the recent one related to this aspect is Vinod Kachara versus State of UP 2022 Supreme Court. In this case, it was held that bone ossification test is not exact science. It doesn't provide the exact age of a person. So court held from time to time, Delhi High Court many other courts, that this test can't overrule the documentary proof of age of a person. The documentary proofs like birth certificate and Aadhaar and other proofs, and the test is used only when documents are unavailable or disputed. Thank you so much. I hope with this topic you have covered one means answer. You can prepare it yourself, and I have helped you in preparing you for different kinds of your competitive exam. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe.